Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I have some more new to me digitals to share with you. These are from Chela Creates, and I have a variety of different things. These are digitals available at chelacreates.com. I also have a code which I will leave in the description box below along with all the information. So this one, it's book related. Reading related, so I will definitely be using these stickers in my reading journal, which I have actually started working on. I did not record some of it because I kind of just wanted to play around and see how it goes for me before I started recording. But yeah, I will eventually show you all what I have done, and I'll definitely be using these in that. This is the full size. I don't think I reduced this one. Then we get onto this one with the hot air balloons and the natural colors, the rainbow, and I did that one twice. And then I also did the smaller version, but this is what it looks like. And again, keep in mind, if you get these digitals, you can use them over and over again. And something like this could work for fall. It could also work in the spring. So I mean, it can all work anytime you want to use it, actually. And I thought this was really pretty and airy, and I don't know, just very pretty and delicate. I think this would be good for fall too. I love this doll here, and the florals go with it great. So, and then I printed the smaller version, print and cut. Then this, I love the green colors. It's a different look to me, but I think it works great for fall. I love these flowers. This is all very pretty. And of course I did the smaller version. Then we get into spooky season. These are also from Chela Creates. And they're just very, very cute little dolls. And the cupcakes with the eyeballs, the cat, the owl. It's very cute, pretty. Then we have this sheet with the little sugar skull faces with the witch and the cloak and all of that. Look at the little skulls. And then she has the skull balloon. Just very cute. Then these I think will coordinate great with the stickers that I showed from Fabulously Creative. So you got the black cats, the cartoon style bats, potion bottles, candy, spider webs, the witch's cauldron, the little pink skull. I think that's really cute. The little pink ghost. And then we have the bat again with the jack-o'-lanterns and the cats and the broom. And it's just very cute, not too scary Halloween pieces. So that is everything that I have from Chela Creates. Again, I will leave all the information in the description box below, so you can check them out. And I'm going to take the Halloween stuff out of this stack, and so that I can pull from it, because I'm going to go ahead and work on the October setup in my PR and social media planner. So I need to cut these in half and get them punched. Now I also need to decide, am I going to go vertical or am I going to do horizontal? I think I'm going to go ahead this month and stick with the vertical, even though I really want to try horizontal again. But I think I can do my Halloween decoration a lot better on vertical. So I'm just cutting these in half like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my heavy duty arc punch to get these punched. Let me make sure I'm punching the right side. And I have it set at junior size. And let's do this set. So that was September. This is October. Well, I guess I don't really need to put all of this in now, but we'll go ahead and do it. All right, so I think most of this week is going to be spent setting up for October. I should have been doing that last week, but that was not really possible. So let's do it. I am going to go, I think I should go ahead and put my tab on. Well, no, I'm going to put the tab on last. I'm going to go ahead and decorate this page. Okay, I had to pause and check my washi stash. So I pulled these out because I'm thinking I'm going to use these elements, maybe the owl. Okay, so let's get started. There's only so much room on this one particular page. So let's see, what do I want to do? I don't have a quote either. Okay, let's put this as a footer. I think I want to use this pumpkin or fall paisley washi from Simply Gilded down here. And then let's do a little bit of this Scotch glitter washi up at the top. Okay, so that gives us a little color. I kind of wanted to do a script here, but I think it's too small to cover the October. So this is the doll that I'm going to go with. And I'm also wishing I had done smaller sheets too of this, but I didn't. So we will work with what we've got. Let's put her there. Kind of want to put the owl up here. Let's put the owl on top of the T. I was going to put it on top of the O, but I think it looks cute on top of the T. And let's see if I can kind of balance this out a little bit more. I think I'm going to take one of these spider webs and play around with that a little bit. Okay, so I pulled out my holidays book. I haven't looked in this in quite some time. So, and I flipped through the section where I have all the fall and Halloween stuff. And I have this page. This is also Chela Creates. And I want to use, I think this one was called Sweet and Spooky. I used it last year and I thought it was really cute. So, let's see. Do I want to use, I don't know if I want to use Sweet and Spooky or if I want to use the words love. I think I'm going to do Sweet and Spooky. Let's see how that looks. That's kind of big, but it goes, it's just going to go. So I have multiple focal points. I was trying to make it more, I don't know. Anywho, that is that page. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's pop this in and go ahead and put our tab on. These are single side laminated tabs on sticker paper. So I printed out the template for the tabs. I printed it out. I laminated just one side. As you can see, it's just laminated on one side. Then I ran it through the cutting machine with the laminate on it. So it gave me a sturdy sticker that I can use for a tab instead of just using plain sticker paper for a tab. Okay. Oh, that's going to cover up some of my spider web, but that's okay. I think I'd rather it go over the spider web than the spider web go over the tab. So I'm just lining the edges of the tab up with the paper before I squish it together. Okay, so that is our October page in my PR and social media planner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.